Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sharma and today in this video we will discuss about the REST API in Node.js. Firstly, we will discuss that what is REST API. So guys, REST API is also called as a RESTful API, which is an architectural style for an application program interface that use HTTP requests to access and use the data. The data can be used to get, put, post and delete data type, which refer to the reading, update and create and delete as well. So now we will discuss that why REST APIs are required. So guys, suppose we have our front end design on a React.js that is on different server and our backend is designed on a Node.js that is installed on a different server. So when we have to connect our backend from the front end, so then we have to use APIs. So that's why APIs are required. This is a much important part of any applications. So now we will discuss that how we can create our first REST API in Node.js. So let's start. So guys, here you can see I will create a folder, blank folder I will create today just to create my REST API. I have defined my name as REST API. So now this is a blank folder I have created. Now I will open it in the Visual Studio Code. So I will open the folder. This is located in the C drive. This is C drive, then Node.js and REST API. This is the blank folder which I have created. So now then I will open the command prompt. So guys, I will go to the directory with the command prompt, cd space REST API. Yes. So now I will run the first command which I need to execute to create a REST API from scratch. So first command I need to execute, that is npm init. So guys, I have just executed this command. It is asking me for the package name, that is REST API, then asking version name, descriptions. I will put it as a stop. Description: no entry point will be index.js, git repository, no keywords, author, license. I have just taken all the default values which is provided by default. So now I will go to the folder that I will check that what has been created. A package.json file is created here. So now I will install the Express. To install the Express, as I have already defined in my previous videos that how you can install the Express. So I will install Express here as well. So now Express will be installed. It may take few seconds. Yes, it has been installed successfully. So now Express is installed successfully. Now next what I will do, I will just create a new file, that is index.js. I'm just creating name as index.js because guys, I have mentioned the entry file, main file as index.js file here. So I have just created an index.js file. So now I will require the Express. Then I will define a hard-coded port because to execute a Node app we need a port. I'm just taking a 3000. Now I will create a app is equal to Express. I will create an object of Express. Then I will listen to my Node app on any particular port that is defined above. I will not enter any callback functions here. So it will show me. Now I will create a normal route just to check the home page, the server is running or not. Then I will define a callback function here. First one is the request, second one is the response. So guys, here I will print response.end home page. So Guys, I have just required the express, and I have just listened on the code that is defined here 3000, and I have created the object of express. Then I have just created a route for the home page. So now what I will do, I will just run my Node app. So I will execute node space index.js. So it will execute. Yes, it has been executed because I have not displayed anything in the listen. That's why I didn't get anything on my console. So I will go to the browser. It is executed on my default port and default host, that is 127 home page. So my program is working fine. So now next what I will do, I will just create another route just to create my REST API. App.get, then I will define get users API. This is the route in which my API will be called. Then here I will define my callback function with the 2 parameters as usual. I am doing since very first video. Yes, get user API is defined here. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can read a JSON file and return the data into a REST API. So this thing, what I will do, I will just create a folder, a new folder I will create, that is data. And now under the data I will create a new file. Suppose we have users.json file. You can put it a name as you want, but you need to pass that extension at .json. So I have just created users.json. Now I will create the array of JSON objects. So guys, I will create here. So I'm just taking name Nitin Sharma, and then experience as 10 years, and then I'm just taking 2 parameters. So as I declare, I already confirmed that I'm creating array of objects, array of JSON objects. So I will copy all the things same, then I will put here name. This time I will take Seetal Saraswat, and then experience I will take it as 9 years. So I have just created a normal JSON file with the data of users. So I can add how many we want. So now in the index.js, so now guys, I will use one more package, one more module, that is fs. Fs is installed by default with the express. So I will require it because fs also stands for the file system. So just to play with the files, we have to use a file system package, that's fs. So I will require it. So guys, I have required it. Yes. So now I will use it. Whenever my route will be called, then what I will do, I will just read. Fs provide us lot of functions. We can also check all the functions, all the possibilities with what we can do with the fs on the website npmjs.org. So now I will read a simple file, read file saying Visual Studio also provide you a lot of hints related to the package what we can do with this. So now I will read the file with the asynchronous mode. So guys, here I need to pass the path as a first parameter. So I will pass underscore directory name. So what directory name does, it will provide me the path where my node app is executed. It means it will go here and it will show me the path till the REST API. I will show you in a console as well. So I will pass the path of my JSON file which I have created. So I have just come to this path. I have already come with the help of underscore dir name. Then I will go to the data. Then I will call users.json file. So I will pass /data/users.json. So guys, next parameter I have to pass the encoding, because by default it returns the buffer data. So I will pass the UTF-8 as encoding. just to get in a readable form. And next what I have to pass, I have to just pass a callback functions. So first parameter will be error if any, and next parameter will be results, whatever it will provide me. So I have just created a callback function here. So guys, here what I will do, if error, then what it will work, it will just throw me the error. If any error will be there when I will read the file, then it will show me just throw it. Otherwise, it will just send me the data in browser. I have just write all the codes under the callback functions. So whenever my functions will be called, read file function will be called, then after the completion of this file read, this will return me the result, and then it will be returned back to my client, that is user, in browser. So now I will save. So I will put it a comment also here, create API to retrieve users. Yes guys, I have just mentioned a comment as well. So now I will rerun my program, because I am just executing my program with the help of Node. So I have to rerun on every change. Yes, it has been rerun. I have not displayed any confirmation here, just to shortage. And now I will go to the browser. Firstly, I will check home page is working. Then I will check the root of API. Yes. So guys, you can see I can get all the data which is updated in my users.json file. So now you can see my API is working fine with the static values of JSON and with the help of FS. So in this program we have seen that how we can install the Express and how we can create a REST API from scratch. So one thing I also committed you to tell you that what the directory name has. So guys, directory name actually provide me the path of current directory where the project is installed. So I will just display here just to confirm. Then I will rerun my program. Firstly I will cancel it, then I will rerun it, then I will call the API, then it will display the path in my console. It will display the path in console. Yes, it's not showing. Yes, it's showing actually. It's a little bit confusion, but yes, it's showing here. This is the path, because the same path is also displaying here. That was a little bit confusion, but it's showing, you can see. So guys, there is how we can create a REST API with a hard-coded data in JSON format. So in next video I will tell you that how you can create a REST API with MySQL. So join me on that particular video. Thank you.